Google Apps Script. Create a project management app project. Explore how you can use Google Apps Script to create a project management tracking application from scratch. Google Apps Script is a rapid application development platform that makes it fast and easy to create business applications that integrate with G Suite. Do not take this course if you have no JavaScript experience. JavaScript is an absolute prerequisite. Course covers the following in a step-by-step format. Source code is included along with a bonus 20+ page PDF guide. Get coding Google Apps Script. Quick introduction to accessing your Google Script environment, updating the menu with custom buttons. SpreadsheetApp.getUi, add additional functions and menu items. The sidebar UI. ShowSidebar, send data from spreadsheet to client-side sidebar window.